There's a lot of unknowns on both sides of the equation.
That is former health officer Dr. Bob Lutz. He spoke one-on-one with KREM 2 ahead of a meeting that wrapped up within the last few hours. That meeting was to help people understand the potential health effects of PFAS contamination. KREM 2's Cody Proctor was at that meeting tonight. She brings us more.
Well, talking to your doctor can be scary, especially in an evolving health situation like what we're seeing in the West Plains area. On Monday night, a few dozen people filled the hub in Airway Heights just to try and get a better understanding of what to do. Now, the night's meeting, hosted by the West Plains Water Coalition, featured guest speakers Gail O'Neill, a nurse with more than 4 decades of experience, and Dr. Bob Lutz. Now, you may remember Dr. Lutz as the former Spokane Regional Health Officer. Some of their recommendations, including getting a blood test done if you've been exposed to PFAS to try and figure out a baseline. KREM 2 spoke to Coalition board member Nick Scharf, who found out just before the meeting his most recent blood test results showed concerning levels of PFAS.
I got to have a positive outlook on it until I know more about it. It's been an emotional roller coaster. To say the least, to get the testing done, well testing done, and so on, since I found out that our water was contaminated.
I think it's a growing concern, and I think we're still learning a lot. I think we have a growing body of evidence to support the idea that there are associations between PFAS exposure and a number of health-related issues.
Other advice given at the meeting included writing questions down ahead of your doctor appointment, be honest with concerns, and be assertive, as well as bring in a family member as an advocate. Now, another piece of advice from Dr. Lutz during that meeting is to also limit your exposure. In Airway Heights, Cody Proctor, KREM 2 News.